Evelyn is stuck. As the new head of marketing for a mid-sized company, she has a team of marketing specialists who she knows are overworked and getting burned out from doing the same thing every day. Worse, she's under pressure to improve the company's marketing performance this year, but isn't sure her team has all the skills they need to drive those goals. She's running hard, but getting nowhere. That's when she learns about Marketing Nice Guys' corporate training, offering half-day, one-day, and two-day live virtual options. She can pick and choose up to 12 marketing topics, including website UX, SEO, social media, content marketing, SEM and other paid media, as well as email, analytics, e-commerce, and a whole lot more. She pulls the trigger on the one-day option for her and her 8 team members, customizing it around 4 core topics. She likes that the trainers have real-world experience and bring both strategic thinking and super practical tips during the interactive session. The training is a big success. Her team leaves feeling energized with new insights and techniques, and Evelyn's takeaway is a better strategic approach to integrate all the marketing channels. With the changes she makes, her results improve. And better yet, her team feels more confident and less stressed, armed with the knowledge to be able to replicate the great results on future campaigns. Learn more about our customized corporate marketing training programs at the URL listed on screen. We're here to help you excel in digital marketing. We're the nice guys, after all.